Hello students, very good morning students. Today I am going to start chapter 3 in geography, that is the drainage. Students, about this chapter I must say that content of this chapter has to be deleted from the CBSE. So students, what you have to do from this chapter? You have to do only map work, means content there is no need of study. So for this students, I have selected 3 map work. How you have to do map work? Students, in the copy, you have to put the chapter number, chapter name, and then put the heading map work. Under the map work heading, you have to put subheading map work 1. And under map work 1, you have to write these questions. Just see which question you have to write. First one, the state separating Sri Lanka and India, saltwater lake in Kerala, largest freshwater lake in India, a group of islands lying east of the mainland of India, island group lying close to Malabar coast and Kerala, or island in the southwest of the mainland in India. So student, these questions you have to write in map work 1. So in front of map work 1, you have to paste the simple map of India, or you can make it depend on you. So students, first thing, what you have to locate on map of India? Which state separates Sri Lanka and India? That is the Palk state. So here you have to locate Palk state. Then which saltwater lake in Kerala? That is the Vemvanad lake. So you have to locate this lake on map of India. Third one is the which largest lake, freshwater lake in India? That is the Vular lake. It is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Andaman and Nicobar Island you have to locate here, and last one is the Lakshadweep. So student, these things you have to locate on map work 1. Now next, in next page in your copy you have to note down map work 2 question. So students, same as firstly you have to put heading, and under this heading you have to write these question. A river that rises in Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. Which river? That is the Tapi river. And next one is the river also known as Tasangpo. Which river is known as Tasangpo? That is the Brahmaputra river. And third one is the largest river of South India. That is the Godavari river. So student, these things you have to locate on map work 2. Just see how you have to locate, as same as in front of question you have to paste map of India, and on map of India you have to locate these things. First one is the Tapi river. So student, just see where you have to locate Tapi river. Tapi river you have to locate here. The Tapi river rises in the Satpura ranges in the Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. ये जो रिवर है वो कहाँ से निकलता है? मध्य प्रदेश के बेतुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट के सतपुरा रेंज से, और ये इसका जो फ्लो है किसके थ्रू होता है? रिफ्ट वैली, जैसे रिफ्ट वैली पैरेलल, और ये नर्मदा के पैरेलल फ्लो करती है, और इस रिवर की जो लंबाई होती है वो 724 किलोमीटर होती है. सो स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट इज द ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर. हियर यू हैव टू लोकेट ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर. अबाउट द ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर, आई वांट टू से दैट the river Brahmaputra originates on the plateau of Tibet beyond Himalayas in a region surrounding Kailash and Mansarovar lake, which is also the source of the Indus and Satluj. Or in Tibet, this river is known as the Tasang Po. So Brahmaputra river you have to locate here. Now third river is the Godavari river. It is the largest peninsular river, and it is called the Dakshin Ganga. The length of this river is the 1450 kilometer long. So now student, in next map work third, in next page you have to put the heading map work third, and on map work third you have to locate these rivers, that is the Indus river, Yamuna river, Luni river and Sun river. So student, just see how you have to locate. That is, first one is the Indus river. About the Indus, I want to say that this river originates in the northern slope of Kailash range in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. ये कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट होती है? ये तिब्बत के कैलाश रेंज के नॉर्थर्न स्लोप से ओरिजिनेट होती है और किस लेक के निकट होती है? मानसरोवर लेक के निकट. So student, here you have to locate Indus river. Now next one is the which river? That is the Yamuna river. So about the Yamuna river, I want to say that Jamuna, which rises in the Yamunotri glacier in the Himalayas, flows parallel to the Ganga and they meet at Allahabad. जो यमुना है ये हिमालय के यमुनोत्री ग्लेशियर से राइज करती है और गंगा के पैरेलल ही ये फ्लो करती है और उसके बाद ये कहाँ जाके मिलती है? ये इलाहाबाद में जाके गंगा से मिल जाती है. नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन इज़ द लूनी रिवर. Luni river you have to locate here. Now next one is the Sun river. About the Sun river, student, it is the tributary of Yamuna and it carrying large volume of water. The Ganga flows eastwards till Farrakha in West Bengal. So student, जो Sun river है वो किसके ट्रिब्यूटरी है? यमुना रिवर की ट्रिब्यूटरी है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप सो दैट यू हैव लिसन मी केयरफुली एंड यू हैव सीन वेरी केयरफुली दैट हाउ यू हैव टू लोकेट दीज रिवर्स ऑन पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया. So students, in the copy, work should be neat and clean and every work should be in a separate pages. Thank you and have a nice day.